Hey, hi friends. In today's video, we'll learn how to transcribe a YouTube video into text, right? So I will show one video of my channel and one from a random channel, right? So let's take this video, right? And you're someone who wants to get a transcribe, that is the audio in text format. If you scroll down in the video description, you will see this option for all the videos on YouTube, show transcript. And once you this appears, right, now there is a timestamp over here. You can just go over here and click on toggle timestamps, and now it's just the text. You can directly copy this and then go paste in a word file. That's it. So you have got the complete audio converted, transcribed into text. Now you can play with it. You can refine it using some AI tools, chat gpt, and use it in some way or the other for your video creation, right? So that's it. So this was for a video on my channel. To test it again, we'll use some video from a random channel. And let's see over here. So now let's take a channel where it is a video of Netflix, right? So over here, if we go again, you see show transcript. Again, the same thing. You can just copy from here and you will get the whole transcript for this video from Netflix, right? So that's it. So I hope this was useful for those who are searching for it. For any more queries pertaining to YouTube video creation or YouTube channel, do drop a comment or check out the videos from YouTube with Saave. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.